game, dude. But it's feeling kind of hot, dude. Like, I feel like I should go, like, cool down or something. Like, there's some water over there. I can just go over there. Oh, it's so freaking hot, dude. You know why it's so hot? Like, generally, is it because I'm wearing mittens and this? And a scarf? Like, these are all for winter? I think why, but just... I feel like I'm gonna go into the water. Like, that's the best solution. Oh, what the? Where am I? Where am I? What the frick is this place? What's that? Oh, it's a grenade? Oh, God. Looks like there's already another flashlight pointing to the exit. What is this place? What is that? Oh, I guess I'll just start walking this trail. Oh, this is scary. What are those? I know. Probably some landmines. Oh God, dude, my vision. It just feels so bad after that, dude. What the heck is this place? Animal Company VR? The VR obviously stands for virtual realities, which is Gorilla Tag virtual reality. But what's Animal Company? How do I look? Whoa, that is not me. What am I? What am I? Have I taken the form of another player? I think I've taken the form of another player. Well, that's not good. But that is pretty good. Let's see. What is this? Whoa, they have a lot of stuff here. Like a lot of weapons. I don't know why, but it's a lot of weapons. Oh, they have a gun. Let's see how much that costs. Well, that's a lot of money. I'll just do them a favor and not buy that. But how much money do they have anyway? They have 1.21 million. Is that shiny rocks? No, I don't think that's shiny rocks. But there's also a different currency. What is that? And there's also a purple currency. A wallet. So you're saying this is my wallet? But what are these? This place is so weird. There I am again, taking the form of another player. What the? You could choose to be a different animal? That's strange. You could choose your color? Well, I already like my color. I like red, and like how I like red. So, what should I do? Maybe I might have to switch up the style a little bit. I don't know, but bunny costume? I'll think about it. But in the meantime, I just gotta explore this place. So, what should I do? Go over there. Go over there. Well, that's where it came from. I think I should go over there. I really don't know, but what is that place? I'll go there first. But I have nothing other than a flashlight in my hand. Wait. Oh, I can put stuff on my hips. That's pretty nice. So let's see, what will I need? I might need a gun, but that's too expensive, so we'll just get another weapon. A crowbar and a fist and a bat. I think the crowbar might be the best option. Yeah, definitely. I guess I'll put this on my hip for now. What the? I guess I'll just hold it like this. I like having extra long arms for some reason. And yeah, like that. I guess I'll just put that on my hip. Let's see, we'll need a backpack. like this backpack. I really don't know what this is, but that's cool. What else would I need? Guess I'll need a gadget. For example, I guess I could use one of these. A jetpack? I'll just call it a rocket. What does it do? Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Oh, ow! Ow, dude, that kind of hurt. So I really have no idea where I'm going. But in we go. Whew! Oh, God, where am I? What is this place? Are these ores? Can I mine them? Oh, I can't. Probably would have been the best decision to buy a pickaxe then. Oh, what is this? Some stuff. Look at this do. It looks dangerous, so I guess I'll throw it from afar. Maybe even from up here, because I don't want that thing killing me. Oh. Yeah, that thing would have definitely killed me. But what else did it give? It gave one of those fists I saw. And a plunger. But we got a chicken. I don't like that thing, so we're just gonna go ahead and mine this ore. It takes so long to mine these. Hopefully we can get a pickaxe from one of these. But I really have no idea what that is. Oh God. I think the pipe will be better. Let's see. Oh, it's a little better. I think it's also versatile when attacking enemies. But I'm not going there yet. Ooh! Ooh! We just got a gun! Let's go! Did we actually just get a gun from that? But we'll save it for later. Like that. I need some food. I'm so hungry, dude. Let's see, this flashlight will also help with this one. Yeah. It's a lot better, but I think this one's fine. So, this looks like a... It looks awfully like the ones I saw back there. Well, that's off. So I need to get past this gushy goo. Okay, it looks like a red light green. I think I get it. Well, I just used my gun. Ooh, another one of those grenades. Oh, what the? What is that? I guess I'll mine this. Huh? Why is it coming to me and then ignoring me? What the? Oh, dude. Did I really have to experience that again? I need another one of those crates. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, another gun? Okay. Another one of those guns that we got from the last one. Hopefully we'll get another one. Well, I just got a big banana. That's useful. I guess I need to remind me that. Another one? Oh, he's back. Guess I won't move. Easy. That was pretty easy. And what did we get? And now I got an arrow. I keep getting stuff I don't want. Like, give me a crate. And what is this? Looks like those don't really do anything. What did I just get? Dynamite? That? What is this? This might be important, so time to save it. Well, I really don't like this place, so I might head back up. But I need to save these. Wait a minute. That's why I have a backpack. So what else could I save? Maybe this umbrella. What else? Maybe this gun. I really have no idea. Let's take it back. I need to kill him as soon as possible. Oh frick! Where did my weapon go? God. Oh wow. Oh, I got one of those things that we need. Things. Please help me with another one. Another arrow. Well, those are definitely not gonna help. What else should we save from here? I don't know about that, but I think we should utilize some stuff to help us get out of here. But first, I will mine these few ores. Here we go. Okay, hopefully we get another one from this. Oh, I just got one of those gems. That's weird. I think this has absolutely no ammo left. It's back. I'll get that gun later. Oh, that was scary. Oh, yes, I got another one of what I needed. Okay, so we're gonna need this gun. I guess I'll put this back in my backpack. Meanwhile, where's the other one that I left off with? Ooh. So, we're gonna go back up, right? We're going back up. I still don't know what that gushy moo does, but I guess it's time to go back up, right? Well, here we go. If I mess up, I'll be here forever. Oh, shoot. Oh, no! I messed up. No, I'm here forever. I guess I'll have to use my old gorilla tag tactics to help me escape. But why does it feel so wonky? Oh, God, no. Oh, that saved me. If only I had a certain tool that would help me.